in the frame but not on the top of the crystal to prevent all the beads, metal beads, from getting tarnished or rusty during the time you're washing your hand. All right, here for 60 seconds. And oh my god, spinning there. I'm checking on my gloves. Crystal is so nice between the condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat is actually scrap the base of the crystal, so that's why you can see the crystal stay really nice and solid. It's not even have any rub spot at all or scratchy. Check. When you check, you feel it, then you are going to seal it in. So great. So I'm happy. I am going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds. All right, can you get me some more water? Cold in. That is really cool today. So I'm going to show you something that you are getting. It's really such a great value for this beauty. So today we did, tomorrow's going to do lemonade and watermelon. So today we did blueberry and cherry. Yesterday we did grapes and raspberry. So this is the newest collection, and then let me tell you something. It's really cool that is saving a lot of money. You are going to get with this espresso is a special promotion launch. Is going to be throughout this week, so I hope you enjoy the saving. And you are going to not only get 6 colors in the collection, you also get is the favorites of Glitz Velvetty Gels. The bristles is everything. It's really nice and it's solid, so it's not like shedding during a time you are doing your application. And then you also get your special is base is works that it's going to be the Velvetty Gels Bestie, and then a no wipe top coat. So you get your 3 things for it for such a special price, and also get free surprise gift as well.